Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the brush size of the eraser tool if you, for instance, would like to remove larger parts of an object or shape in Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So let me use that example document here, and as you can see there's that rectangle shape I created for another tutorial, and as you can see I removed some smaller parts of that rectangle using the eraser tool. You'll find the eraser tool here on the left hand side. You may also use the shortcut Shift E. That is going to allow you to remove objects or paths. So as you can see, if I left click into it, it will remove parts of the image or of that sort of an object or path here. You may also switch to a different mode here, like for example cutout from path and shapes, or a clip from objects. So which one you go with is up to you. If you'd like to remove parts of an image, use the option clip from objects. So as you can see, the brush size on default is this one, so it would take quite a lot of time to remove an entire rectangle like this using that brush size here. So in this case you may increase or decrease the brush size here next to these modes by clicking the plus or minus here next to width. You may also enter a value. So let me use a really large brush like 50. And after that, as you can see, the brush size will look like this. Now if we take, for example, 200, it will allow you to remove the given object much faster with a few moves of the eraser tool or brush here. The shape is gone. And you can do the same for the image I inserted into that document. And that way you can erase actually large parts of objects, paths, or images here on Inkscape, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.